Trading is a game of probabilities. The way you win the game is have an identifiable edge and take advantage of that edge over and over again in the market. I'm going to show you how we do that day in and day out using prediction points. Stay tuned. Welcome to the review for Day Trade Like a Pro. It is Tuesday, January 7th, and another great trading day here. We're looking at prediction points. We have the orange line and the two blue lines. This is a key price. These are both critical prices. And we're looking at a 5-minute chart. So just going to show you here basically about 5 o'clock Pacific time. We broke down below here. Traded back up to this. We had 32.47.5. We came within a tick of that. It then sold off, and here was the open of the US session. So came down to here. We had 32.5, 32, 36 quarter, so about 3 ticks from there, and then all the way back up to here. So that's 10 points right there on that. Sorry, that's 7 points right there on that move right there. So there's 7 points, and then it came back down here. And we said this morning starting off, we had a few prices, but we said could very easily pull back down into this area. So I know there were a number of traders that got long and then took some profit and then got out when it came back and then hit it again back over here when it came back down here. So price came down and then we hit it again over here. And we said watch out for 45 area, that would be something to keep an eye on. We got to 44.75. Then at 8:47, so on this candle right here, we said ideally, as this candle was forming right here, we said ideally 38 would hold for any higher. So what happened was 38's right here, and we'll just go ahead and draw. You can see that did not hold. It broke down below 38, clear down to 36 quarter. We did say that we would need to get below here, of course, to confirm that. But we did break below here, and then we said two prices. We said 41. So there's 41. And 43. And there's 43. Now, those are not prediction points. Some people are emailing saying, why weren't those in my prediction points? Because those aren't prediction points. They were prices that we gave in the live trade signals as the market developed and as things started to unfold here. So we said if 38 couldn't hold, then the next two prices it would need to get above would be 41. So you can see here, and then 43, and it used 43 to the tick, 41 within 1 tick. So then really the question a lot of traders ask is, well, should I be buying or selling? And I'm going to do something a little unique here today. I'm going to walk you through a couple of scenarios. So this was pretty obvious. You want to be buying over here this morning. We were buyers this morning. Maybe if you were advanced, there was an opportunity to get short up around 44, 45 area and get some of that to the downside. The NASDAQ actually looked really great today with prediction points as is normal, but good short opportunities. Good both ways today on both of these markets. And here we go. So we said 38, ideally 38 would hold. So we tried here at 38. If you tried it long, this didn't work out. You broke even, you lost a tick or two, something like that. And then it bounced to 41, and there was an opportunity to go short at 41. And then that came down here to 38 quarter, and then back up to 41, and then it came back down to this price down here. So I want to walk you through a couple of scenarios. So let's say that when 38 broke, you were thinking sell side. Let's sell. And so 38 broke. We gave two prices. We gave 41 and we gave 43. So you got short at 41. And then you either took some or all of your profit down here at 35 in front of this price. So probably 36, a couple of ticks in front of this. So you took all or some of your profit here at 36. And if you were trading multiple contracts, you scaled out some of them. And when it came back up here, you took the rest off at break even, or you took all of your profit down here. And then you hit it short again here. We said 43. It used 43 to the tick. and this dropped down, and again you would take some of your profit here and you're holding for lower, which we eventually did get. Now Iran has bombed US bases is what we're hearing right now, so the market has taken a sharp dive. We may or may not talk about that in a minute here, but for now you can see if you shorted 43, there was the opportunity down to 36, so there's 7 points of opportunity, plus back down here to 30. So that's 13 points right there. So 7 points to there, 13 points to there, plus that. Now let's say you thought, well, 38 broke, but it didn't really start to really sell off, so I'm still a buyer. Okay, that's fine. So it came down here. You can see there's this support area down here in this 36.5 area. So you're buying that area, or maybe you didn't buy that area. But if you did, you were certainly taking some or all of your profit in front of 41. And then down here, it came back down 35.5. It came within a tick of that. There was an opportunity, if you were a buyer, there was an opportunity to get long. And then that 36 long ended up going all the way up to 43, 7 points on that trade. You're taking some or all of your profit there at 7 points. And then this thing sold off and there was no buy opportunity here. And then this was right at this was actually after the close. So very advanced if you are trading this. I'm not saying we have a lot of traders who trade that, but if you're brand new, not necessarily recommending that you're trading the after hours. So what does it matter? Does it really matter if you're trading it one way or the other way? The prices that we're giving you here work. Now, you want to buy and sell in the direction where there's more room. So if the target is 30 down here and I can short 43, then there's 13 points. Now, if I'm going long from 43 and the target to the upside is 47.5, that's only 4.5 points. So do I want to be buying or do I want to be selling? There's 4.5 points if I buy, and there's 13 points if I sell. I think I'll sell on this side right here. Right here, 41, there's 11 points down to 30. Or I can get 6.5 points up to 47.5. Do you want 6.5 points or do you want 11 points? So we're giving these prices. Now, even if you bought, that's fine. You're buying here at 35.5. There's a target up here, 47.5. That's where we're initially looking for that thing to move. But we didn't get that, so there's 12 points right there. If that works, that's great. Try that. Now, when you get real advanced, you're doing all of it. You're going short here, you're buying it here, you're getting your profit here, you're going short up here, it's coming back to here, you're trying it long here, this one doesn't work out. And then, so before I move on to that, I just want you to see here, how do you trade these prices? Well, which one? Do you want to short here? There's 35.5 up to 47.5. That's 12 points. Or you can go short from 35.5 down to 30. That's 5.5 points. So 12 points or 5.5 points, which one would you rather have? So trade in the direction where there's more room to get your profit. Now, as you get advanced, you'll trade it both ways. But if you're just new and you're just starting out, you want to trade it in the direction where there's more room to get your profit. All right? So the prices work. It just is a matter of which way. Should I be buying or selling? I get emails like this every day. I get emails saying, well, I don't know if I should be buying or selling. If you bought here today, it didn't matter. If you bought here today, it didn't matter. If you sold here today, if you sold here, do whatever. Just pick something. Make a plan. Write down what you're going to do. When the market gets there, do it. Keep a detailed journal like we teach. And then keep your stats, and we'll see if your plan is working. And if it's not, we'll make adjustments to your plan. But you can see, so if you bought here, this worked out this morning. If you bought here, didn't really go anywhere. Lots of opportunity to take this off. No big deal. If you sold here, if you didn't sell here, if you bought here, if you didn't buy here, if you sold here, if you didn't sell here, there's all kinds of opportunity all throughout the day here. So plenty of opportunity. You just got to pick something. So we said if 38 ideally would hold, and it didn't, then we would need to eat our way through 41 and 43, and the market could not do that. It didn't get above 41, and it didn't get above 43. I mean, it did get above 41, but not until it sold off from here, and then it couldn't get above 43, which is what we said. So we said if it was going to go higher, it would need to get through here and here. So if you have a short bias, try it short here and try it short here. And I don't mean hold it. I mean try it short. If it works like this, take some of your profit. If it doesn't work, like over here where you try it long, take it off and wait. Came back down, great, go long over there. So I don't know if you're trying to make 500 points a day or something, but if you're like, I mean, most retail traders, if they could make 2, 3, 4, 5 points a day, it would change their lives. So look, there's 5 points. Any one of these trades is 5 points. Any one of them, just pick one. Any one of those is 5 points. This is 5 points. This short over here is 5 points. This long's 5 points. This short's 5 points. So this short up here is 5 points. So hopefully that gives you some idea of, well, what should I be doing with these prices? Should I be buying and sell? Should I be buying or should I be selling? Just pick something. Pick something, stick with it, and make a plan. Write down, if this happens, I'll do that, and then do that. And if you need to, mark it on your chart. If 38 doesn't hold, I'm going to sell 41 and 43. If 43 breaks, I'm going to buy it on a pullback at 41, and if that doesn't work, I'll buy it at 38, and then I'll buy it down here. Okay, so this never breaks. We're sellers. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful, teaches you a little bit about how can I use these prices, how can I trade off of these support and resistance, these predictive prices that we're giving you. And as usual, you can go back and watch today's review video. It's up here in the corner, and we will see you in the live trade signals tomorrow.